Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Xiaomi debuts MIMO-2, a high-performance open-weight AI model. Xiaomi has officially unveiled MIMO-2, its latest open-weight large language model designed to challenge industry leaders. Built on a sophisticated architecture, MIMO V2 excels in multimodal tasks, demonstrating superior capabilities in image understanding and complex reasoning. By releasing the model as open-weight, Xiaomi aims to foster developer innovation and transparency within the AI ecosystem. The model is optimized for high efficiency, making it suitable for both cloud-based applications and on-device deployment across Xiaomi's extensive ecosystem of smartphones and smart home devices.
Samsung's Exynos 2600, a 2-nanometer AI powerhouse designed to rival Apple and Qualcomm. Samsung is set to redefine mobile performance with the Exynos 2600, its first flagship processor, built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer gate-all-around process. Slated for the Galaxy S26 series, the chip promises significant improvements in power efficiency and heat management. Key highlights include a massive AI performance boost and the integration of Samsung's in-house GPU. By moving away from ARM designs, Samsung aims to reduce its reliance on Qualcomm, positioning the Exynos 2600 as a formidable competitor to Apple's A-series and Snapdragon chips.
Google debuts a CC, an experimental AI agent for personalized briefings. Google has introduced CC, an experimental AI agent designed to streamline information consumption through highly personalized daily briefings. Accessible via a dedicated interface, CC synthesizes data from a user's selected sources, including news, documents, and emails, to provide concise conversational summaries. The agent is built to understand specific user preferences, allowing for deep dives into niche topics or high-level overviews of busy schedules. Currently in the testing phase, CC represents Google's latest push to move AI from simple search queries toward proactive, tailored personal assistance. Apple unveils AI model for seamless 2D to 3D image transformation. Apple researchers have developed a groundbreaking AI model, DepthPro, designed to convert standard 2D photos into high-fidelity 3D images in real time. Unlike traditional methods that require complex hardware or multiple angles, DepthPro utilizes a single-view depth estimation technique to create precise spatial maps. This innovation is expected to revolutionize Vision Pro experiences, allowing users to relive personal memories with immersive depth. By enabling rapid 3D reconstruction on standard devices, Apple aims to bridge the gap between traditional photography and the next generation of spatial computing. Instagram implements 5-hashtag limit to combat spam and improve reach. Instagram has officially restricted the number of hashtags users can add to posts and reels to a maximum of 5. This significant policy shift aims to reduce hashtag stuffing and improve the platform's recommendation algorithm by focusing on high-quality, relevant metadata. Previously, users could include up to 30 hashtags, but internal data suggests that excessive tags often trigger spam filters rather than increasing engagement. Instagram head Adam Mosseri noted that the move encourages creators to be more intentional, ultimately helping the AI better categorize content for interested audiences. NVIDIA releases Nemotron-3 high-performance open-source AI models. NVIDIA has expanded its AI portfolio by releasing the Nemotron-3 8B family of open-source models designed to offer high performance for enterprise applications. These models, including specialized versions for chat encoding, are optimized to run efficiently on NVIDIA's hardware stack. By making them open source, NVIDIA aims to empower developers to build custom generative AI tools Without the costs associated with proprietary models, Nemotron-3 excels in multilingual capabilities and complex reasoning, positioning it as a strong competitor in the growing landscape of accessible, high-quality AI. And today's AI tool is Transor. The seamless AI layer for real-time global communication, Transor, eliminates the friction of switching tabs by integrating translation directly into your workflow. Unlike traditional tools, it provides real-time bilingual subtitles for platforms like Netflix and YouTube, preserving visual context. Powered by advanced LLMs like GPT-5 and Gemini, it captures nuances and idioms that standard engines miss. Beyond text, Transor features OCR for image translation and advanced layout preservation for PDAs. Available across all major platforms, it's a comprehensive interpretative layer for media, documents, and live inputs. Today, our lead story is about YouTube down. Global outage impacts thousands in India, US, and UK. On Friday, December 19, 2025, YouTube experienced a widespread outage affecting thousands of users across India, the United States, the UK, and Canada. Data from Downdetector showed reports peaking around 6:51 p.m. IST, with users primarily citing server connection and website accessibility issues. While US reports exceeded 10,800, the disruption also triggered a wave of memes on social media platform X under the hashtag #YouTube down. Service was largely restored within a few hours, though Google has yet to comment on the official cause. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.